Congratulations.
And of course, Miss Costa, congratulations. You both look stunning, I must say. Fourth runner-up, third runner-up. First of all, how did it feel to be standing out there in the Miss Universe stage?
Well, it's amazing. I mean, I'm representing my country. I'm very proud of how hard I worked, and this one's for them, so thank you. It's amazing.
Wow. And Atisa, first, how did you feel when you made it to top 12 and then top 5?
I was very, very happy. I was just thinking that, okay, as long as wala pa nakokoranahan, there's still laban pa rin yun. So I was very, very happy to be pulled in top 12, the top 5, and I did my best. That's all you could ask for.
Yeah.
And after that, it's really up to everyone else.
Well, you both answered amazing. Like, both of you, I must say, for me, both of your answers were the best.
Thank you.
Right? And how were you feeling during the first Q&A? I mean, you give a really good answer about being a symbol of hope.
Yes, because I made sure, Miss D, that whatever question they throw at me, I answer from the heart.
Yeah. And Miss Cote d'Ivoire, you said, love yourself. That's your message.
That is my slogan, actually. Hashtag assume your identity, yes, because I think it's something that's very important, and it's something I used to struggle with when I was a kid. And growing up, I had to learn to love myself, and I know that a lot of young men and young girls go through that, so it's important.
Yeah. So Atisa, first of all, tell us about your gown. It was so beautiful, and then I'll ask you about
This is Tito Val's creation, Val Taguba. He made it specially for me. It's beautiful.
And what about your gown, Miss Cote d'Ivoire?
Well, this wasn't initially the gown I was supposed to wear. This was made in like 3 days before the finals by GL, but he did amazing. It's very beautiful.
Well, where do you go from here?
Back home. To sleep, maybe.
So, Atisa, are you gonna stay in Thailand for a while?
We are not sure what the arrangement will be. Yeah, we weren't told anything. Even after the awarding, we were just waiting, so we don't know yet what's gonna happen.
The whole top 5 might actually be traveling together.
Oh, we don't know.
We don't know yet.
So you weren't told that, like in the beginning.
We were just told to wait, so we're waiting.
But the only instruction, wait.
So we're gonna go see our families a little bit.
Yeah, I want to see my family and my team.
At least a message muna sa mga Pinoy na talagang nag-cheer hanggang sa uli. And feeling namin dapat mas mataas.
That's okay, you know, things like that happen. That's out of our control. But maraming salamat po sa suporta, always sa pagmamahal nyo. And let's see what's up next for me.
Yeah, well, you said this was going to be your last fight.
Yes.
It will not?
Yes, but there are more things to life than pageantry.
Yeah, but you did so good. Like, you really leveled up your performance. You must be so proud of yourself.
I am. I'm very happy. You know, this happened because of everyone around me, my team, the fans, the organization. So I'm just really proud that I was able to represent them the best I could.